So someone was asking a general question, if automated options trading is popular with TradersPost users. Uh, what do you guys say about that?
I mean, maybe not from a notional perspective. We have found that more and more users are driving more volume through futures contracts than anything else right now. Crypto is a good percentage, fairly small, overall. Most of it is equities, a lot of it is futures, and then we do have a good percentage allocated to options trading. So there are some people out there that are sending a lot of signals through options. They've got some creative rules around how they're selecting contracts. I would say it's not necessarily popular from like a notional perspective in terms of where all the volume is going, but people are actively using it every day. I don't know how to define popular, but it is a very useful tool.
It's funny in my world, people are using options. I mean, not at all for like protecting themselves. Like the
Right.
retail traders I deal with, they're not doing it to protect themselves. They're all YOLO
It's
contracts.
lottery tickets. Yeah, a lot of it's lottery tickets. And we can see that just because of how many people trade zero DTE contracts. But for those that are using it for, let's say, hedging or put protection, we're seeing some of that as well.
Excellent. John, do you do any options trading?
Not really. I used to, but I more and more have just preferred futures. Um, it's simpler. You can get the leverage without the complexity of adding the additional time variable. There's a lot more moving pieces with options.
When you're coding options features within the TraderSpost platform, do you think to yourself, "Hey, maybe let me just put on a couple of positions and see what this like all the way through"? Do you ever get the bug, or do you just test it
No,
on paper?
no, I don't. I do think though that Mike and I have been talking a lot about adding more capabilities of traders supposed to support multi-leg options orders,
Right.
and I think that will be helpful. But then additionally, we want to add more functionality that supports more traditional investment strategies. Kind of combine that with technical analysis and automated rebalancing, and maybe use some of those more advanced order types for options to do automated hedging and things like that. And I think that will be really, really useful.
Excellent.
Yeah, I totally agree there.